So, what do you think?
Well, it's good, but I can't take it to school.
What are you talking about? This is the best macaroni and cheese this side of a church social.
Well, you see, my friends and I like the kind from a box.
You really know how to hurt a guy.
Sorry, Uncle Alton.
I don't think you're sorry. But, okay, all right. If you've got to have stovetop macaroni, we'll make it. It'll be 50 times better than the box, but you've got to do the work. Deal?
Okay, deal.
Let's go.